Hello everyone. This is an amazing opportunity in time to talk about mass communication as a career option with all of you. When you talk about mass communication as a profession, it is one of the most exciting and impactful career in the world. It is one of the ever-changing industries one can be a part of. It also stays relevant regardless of its dynamic nature. So, let's start with the basics. What is mass communication? It is the process of transmitting message to a large number of scattered audiences. Information can be transmitted quickly to a large number of people who generally stay far away from the source of information. Done through radio, television, newspaper, magazine, social media channels, etc. When we talk about mass communication, one always thinks, what is more to it? So there are different branches of mass communication like journalism, broadcasting, public relations, event management, advertising, and new media. With so many options around, how to know whether mass communication is a perfect career choice for you? If you are creative, confident, have impeccable research, observation, and interpretation skills, have the ability to express ideas and thoughts clearly, and can work under rough conditions, mass communication is a perfect career choice for you. People generally assume that when someone chooses mass communication as their career choice, they will become a news reporter or hard news journalist. But when you opt for a degree in mass communication, it has an amazing array of employment opportunities. You can become editor, anchors, field reporters, photojournalists, designers in the news websites, print and electronic, producers for radio and television, radio jockeys, script writers for electronic media, editors in radio production, PR specialists, copywriters, media planners, creative designers, brand managers, event managers in the PR and advertising field, SEO experts, social media managers, content writers in the arena of digital marketers. Now you know, with a degree in mass communication, you will have plethora of career opportunities in front of you. So now the big question is how to enroll yourself for a degree in mass communication. Some of the premier mass communication institutes of the country are Indian Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi, AJK Mass Communication Research Center, Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, Xavier's Institute of Communications, Mumbai, Amity School of Communication, Lucknow, Department of Communication, University of Hyderabad, Manipal Institute of Communication, Indian Institute of Journalism and New Media, Bengaluru, Manorama School of Communication, Kottayam. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria for a mass communication course. The eligibility criteria for a bachelor's degree is 10+2 from any stream, and for master's degree, graduation in any discipline with at least 50% marks. Some of the institutes also conduct their own entrance exam at both levels, which can be followed by a personal interview. These tests are designed to check the general awareness, creativity, and aptitude of a student. Mass communication generally offers courses like there is a bachelor's course in journalism, which is of 3 years, PG diploma, that's a 1-year course. It can be in English and Hindi, advertising and public relations, radio and TV journalism, journalism and languages. And then there comes master's course, which are specialization courses. The time span for that is 2 years. The master's courses are MA in Mass Communication, MA in Convergent Journalism, MA in Development Communication, MA in Advertising and Media Management. So, if you wish to study further, there are few institutes which also offer PhD in Mass Communication. It can be both full-time and part-time. Now, let's talk about life at the Mass Communication Institute. Like the course, the teacher pedagogy is also very unique. Students do spend time in the classroom learning the theoretical aspects of the subject as well as on the field applying and experimenting with their ideas. Besides academics, there are a lot of clubs that you can be a part of, like photography, theatre, filmmaking, news writing. At Amity School of Communication, there is a monthly student publication, Expressions, where students edit, write, and even design the publication themselves. These experiences at the club are very beneficial because you get to know how the industry works even in the campus environment. Students are also encouraged to be a part of sports activities, so there are options for tennis, volleyball, football, basketball, and many more. Now let's talk about internships. Internships are an important part of your learning, so they start from the first year itself. You can intern with a photographer, with an event management firm, a news group, an advertising agency. This provides an hands-on experience which helps in adding current industry skills while you are at the institute. You will also have many workshops, industry interactions, and field visits. During the lockdown phase, colleges improvised their academic calendars to bring classroom-based activities on digital platforms. Online lectures, discussions, mentor-mentee meetings, viva, project discussions, and guest lectures were conducted online by the faculty of most institutes. Mass communication is a very dynamic subject, so to keep up with its spirit, institutes shifted towards blended learning. Faculties would pass on the material to the students before the class so that they can part in the discussions actively. Online skill development workshops were conducted to teach softwares that are currently in use in the industry. Assignments were also designed to assess skills of the students in the online mode of education. Now let's talk about scholarships that are offered in majorly all mass communication institutes. A scholarship for economically challenged students is offered. There is a 25% discount on the total fee amount. A scholarship that rewards the hard work of academic achievers. Amity provides 100% scholarship to students who scored 93% and above in their class 12 when they enroll themselves in the graduation program. There is also sports scholarships where students who are eligible for this can apply for a fast-track admission. They have to submit their sports certificate for the last 3 years. And there are some state scholarships which students can apply directly. Now let's talk about the packages offered to mass communication students. The highest package offered to a mass communication graduate is around 13 lakhs to 15 lakhs per annum. And the average package which is offered is between 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. The package keeps on increasing with your experience in the industry. So when you choose this industry, there will be no dull day on the professional front. If you are ready to enter the most dynamic and vibrant industry, you can contact us. All the best for your bright future.